Guys, so I'm there and I've been having this debate the whole time. I think we've been having this debate since yesterday. And this gotta come to an end. Who cook better? Caribbean men or Caribbean women? Because every time I go to a Jamaican restaurant, a Asian restaurant, a Trini restaurant, any type of energy, I always see a man in the kitchen. The chef is always a guy. I don't know maybe I the restaurant name that I'm going to, but we're gonna put this to an end today. Who cook better? Caribbean man or Caribbean woman? Because I'm not gonna lie, my uncle them, my male cousin them can cook. I'm not gonna say my auntie them and my mother can cook, but the man them just have a different vibe in the kitchen. The man them have a different energy in the kitchen. So I want to know what's you guys' thoughts. And don't lie.